Hello and welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Tiger Census Report. Now let's see why is it in news. Recently, the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, released the figures of the fifth cycle of India's Tiger Census while inaugurating the International Big Cat Alliance in Karnataka's Mysore. About Tiger Census Report. The Tiger Census in India is conducted by the government every 4 years to assess the population of tigers in the country. It is done by the National Tiger Conservation Authority, that is NTCA, in collaboration with the State Forest Departments, conservation NGOs, and coordinated by the Wildlife Institute of India, which is WII. Its objective is to review the status of tigers in the country every 4 years, was to ensure that the balance between forest and wildlife is not disrupted. Now let's talk about the recent figures. With only 2.4% of global land area, India contributes to 8% of wildlife diversity. India is the largest tiger range country in the world. The tiger numbers have once again increased in the country and now stands at 3,167 in the wild as of 2022. The 2018 Tiger Census, released in July 2019, had established the presence of 2,967 tigers in India. The animal's population in the country has increased by 200 or 6.7% in the past 4 years. While the tiger numbers in the country stood at 1,411 in 2006, it increased to 1,706 in 2010 and 2,226 in the 2014 cycle of evaluations. The population of lions, leopards, elephants, and single-horned rhinos has also increased. India has the largest number of Asiatic elephants and single-horned rhinos in the world, and being the only country where the Asiatic lion is found. Now let's talk about the International Big Cat Alliance. In 2019, PM Modi had called for an alliance of global leaders against poaching and illegal wildlife trade in Asia. It is a mega global alliance that will work toward the protection and conservation of the 7 major big cats: tiger, lion, leopard, snow leopard, puma, jaguar, and cheetah. Membership will be open to 97 range countries which contain the natural habitat of these big cats, as well as other interested nations, international organizations, etc. Now let's talk about the major activities, that is advocacy, partnership, knowledge e-portal, capacity building, ecotourism, partnerships between expert groups, and finance tapping. After the first 5 years, which will be supported by India's total grant assistance of $100 million, the IBCA is expected to sustain itself through these membership fees and contributions from bilateral and multilateral institutions and the private sector. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Tiger Census. The Tiger Census in India is conducted by the government every 4 years to assess the population of tigers in the country. The tiger numbers have increased in the country since 2006 and now stands at 3,167 in the wild as of 2022. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.